Cool. We're on our way, everybody. Full gas the tank. So hopefully, yeah, I'll probably have to fill up tomorrow. What am I thinking? I'll have to go to glass. But yep, what I am up to is, yeah, I don't know, where everyone's just like, yeah, let's go for a ride. Because I'm assuming all these clouds that are setting in today is going to be bringing a little bit of rain tomorrow. So everyone was just like, you know what, let's go for a bit of a night cruise. And I was like, you know what, alright, whatever. Originally I wasn't gonna go because yeah, my back has been playing up a little bit. Well, all parts of my back, both upper and lower. So I kind of was just like, yeah, nah, yeah, kind of thing. But then one of the people in the groups was just like, oh, let's just go out for a ride now, being 2 or 3 o'clock. And I was like, oh, we can have a short ride here and then you can continue riding with them at 7. And there's a bit of a, well, not a bit, an absolute and complete cock up, essentially. So yeah, what's going on now is I was just like, yeah, alright, cool, we're not doing that anymore. And now we're just settled on yeah, I guess doing this route, doing this night ride essentially. Now I forgot to plug my battery bank in, so we're probably going to lose a little bit of footage until, I don't know, we may get there within the battery limit, but may not, who knows, wait to be seen. But I'm pretty sure I'll run out of battery before reaching the destination. Unless I somehow manage to push my cable essentially, or get it plugged in essentially while I'm riding, which is unlikely. You know what, I'm just going to pull over because pointless trying to juggle shit essentially. Just pull over, plug her in, and yeah, my monkey ass forgot to change his visor. So I'm wearing my tinted visor right now. So it's going to be interesting once the sun goes down. I'm probably going to have to rock it in high beam mode or something, but we'll see. But yeah, kind of just, my back was just playing up, loaded up on some painkillers, and I'm out here again. So yeah, let's see. Why is this guy spamming his high beams? Turned his lights off and now he's got his beams on. God knows what he's up to. But yeah, we're almost there. 15 minutes to go. It's old Gahoochie, but from what I understand, the route is going to be a very, very simple one. We're just heading for the coast and then just heading down to Rio, chilling for a bit. And then, yeah, heading wherever we want after that, essentially. But I think I will head down to Frio and then loop back up and essentially come home, because I essentially did not get any time to play any of my Elden Ring when I got back. Because the chaotic chat of what the heck it was going on was a little bit all over the bloody place. And yeah, wonder if I am early again. It seems to be either I'm late or I'm early, one or the other. Yeah, no one else is here. Oh no, a bike is here. As to who it is, no, 2 bikes are here. I don't know. Oh, it's Ella and the Black Street Fighter. It's crazy how bright the lights are on these. I blinded so many people. On the way here, some guy was high beaming me. Hey, it's finally shortened. Nice. Only thing is, I got a bit of a crack here, because I haven't got the right mud guard since swapping to the Acras.
Oh, okay.
So it's just flicking up, and just one smack there. It's not the outer housing, it's the housing on the inside that's cracked, and I'm just like, I can't even fill it in. But yeah, some guy was blinding me with his headlights thinking that I had my high beams on. And then you beam them, and then they're like, oh.
Like even coming here, because it's like low light, I manually turned the lights on.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, it's not doing much. I turned the light off, and then like fully reflected off the back of another car.
They're just like, flashbang. Looks like I'm going 1 second. Alright. Looks like we're going to end up the Fremantle Lighthouse. Oh, I'm gassed up. I can barely see anything. And how did I end up leading the damn group again? There you go. That is messed up. I think one of them was asking about fuel. Now I know there's a fuel station coming up on the left. He's like a dog. He's just doing fucking laps.
Will it turn off his bike?
Probably. It's like a dog trying to sit down. I just wish we were allowed to, like the pay at the pump was still active. Most of them are turned off. That's why I got this, because I thought they were still doing pay at pumps, but they're not anymore. Which is a pain in the ass. Yeah, but that's 91. They never show 95 or... Usually it's, if they do, Ultimate 98. Or they go Premium Unleaded, that's 95. Yeah, go on. Pop some diesel in there. Oh, yeah, the full wheel. You know what? I have no sympathy for the people in four-wheel drives. Y'all do it to yourselves. Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, that Daytona loves spitting fire. That tuning he's got there is crazy. This is like the perfect long stretch where you can just let it rip. But yeah, I don't know how much the camera's actually picking up of the fire coming off the rear, because I don't remember if I've set it up for night riding or not, or low light. I think that's about all that's going to be pretty eventful for tonight. So I'm going to cut it here. I'll catch y'all in the next one. If you like this vid, like what you saw, find yourself coming back to my channel frequently, or if YouTube's by the YouTube's kind graces that my video is being put in your recommended to watch, please show me that solidarity, and yeah, give me that subscribe. If hopefully I've earned you subscribe, but yeah, if you could drop a subscribe and ring that notification bell, I would be deeply appreciated, because I'm on that grind trying to get up to 1,000 subs. You know, I'm out here enjoying bike nights and doing stupid shit and potentially getting speeding tickets essentially. So actually, you know what, hit that sub. It'll help towards my speeding ticket if I'm the one who got splashed, that is. But that's it for tonight. Peace out, love you to bits, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Adieu.